So what is Java JDK? It is a Java development kit. If you want to work with Java applications, it is important. In fact, it's necessary to have Java JDK, Java development kit installed in your PC. You can read more about it. What is Java JDK used for? The JDK is a Java development environment for building applications, applets and components using the Java programming language. The JDK include tools useful for developing and testing programs written in the Java programming language and running on the platform. Okay, so let's see how to download Java JDK. So you have to download it from its official website, which is oracle.com. So just click on it. Wait for few seconds. Okay, you can see the latest version is Java 17. Scroll down and here are the setups for downloading it. So this is for Linux operating system. You will download according to your operating system. So my operating system is Windows, so first I have to click on Windows. So there are three types of downloading files: .ms, .exe, .zip. So you can choose .zip or .exe. I am going to download .exe setup file, also known as setup file. So click on it. So you can see downloading has been started. JDK 17 Windows. So it's telling me to wait for 20 minutes. I already downloaded it and it took almost half an hour. So I am going to pause it and I will continue it with the already downloaded setup. So here is it, JDK 17 Windows 64. Just click on it and download it. Sorry, install it. Yes. Click on next. You can choose where you want to install the setup. I am going with the default location. Click on next. Wait for 1 or 2 seconds. The setup is being installed. Setup is extracting installer. Okay, click next steps to access tutorial API documentation. If you want to read the documentation or you are a developer, you want to know more about it, you can click on next step. I am not going to click on it. So click on close. JDK has been installed. You can go in C program file. You can see there is a folder named Java and it includes JDK 17. So JDK have been installed in my laptop, but I have to include it in my PC's environment. So whenever there is any application or any software which needs Java JDK, it can take it from the environment of my PC. So just go to control panel, click on system and security, click on system, and here you can see advanced system settings. Click on it. Environment variables. Click on environment variables. Search for path. Here it is. Click on it. One thing you have to do is again go to that Java folder. Click on JDK 17. Click on bin, and after going to bin, just copy this path. Copy. Okay, now you can close it and come back to this path. Sorry. So you can name it home, variable name, and variable value. You can put that address here. You copied from that folder. Click on OK, and OK. So the Java JDK have been added to your PC's environment. Now you can go again and see home, and it includes Java JDK. I want to check if it's added in path. You can see Oracle and Java, it's added in this path also.